QLM tripped alone. Do not reset relay targets. Check the feeding power circuit for any abnormalities. Transformer oil level, GR oil level, GR safety valve blowing off, CGR contactors, proper fitment of arc chutes, roof bushing, insulator, and oil spillage, splashing near tap changer, transformer, smoke, burning smell, overheating of equipment fire, etc. In HT compartment, if any abnormality noticed, take proper safety measure. If possible, clear block section with good loco in MU consist. If not possible with trailing loco, or if it is SU, ask for assistance.